Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a nickname to your Facebook profile. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated process, ensuring you can personalize your profile with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your screen. Give it a tap to open up more options. Now, scroll down through the menu until you spot Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then select Settings from the submenu that appears. This will take you to your account settings page. In the settings, you'll want to find the Audience and Visibility section. Under this, you'll see an option called Profile Details. Go ahead and tap on that to continue. As you scroll down the Profile Details page, keep an eye out for the Other Names section. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Add Other Name to begin the process of adding your nickname. A new screen will pop up, allowing you to enter your desired nickname. Type it in carefully. This is how people will see you on Facebook, so make sure it's exactly what you want. Once you're happy with your nickname, hit the Save button to confirm your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully added a nickname to your Facebook profile. It's a simple process that adds a personal touch to your online presence. Remember, your nickname will be visible to others, so choose something you're comfortable sharing. It's a great way to help friends find you or to express your personality on the platform. Thanks for watching our updated guide on adding a nickname to Facebook. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Until next time, happy Facebooking!